Find out what ticketing software can do for you. Ticketing software streamlines the process of selling event tickets across multiple platforms and helps event organizers provide a seamless attendee experience, from checking in to dispersing refunds and managing cancellations. Common ticketing software features include interactive seating, which allows attendees to select seats when purchasing tickets. Payment gateway functionality allows users to accept payments from multiple sources, such as credit cards or digital wallets. Additional ticketing software features include event setup, registration, self-service portal, reporting, and widgets. Ready to find the right ticketing software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.